How to create custom ringtones on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and long press the GarageBand icon. From the menu, tap on Create New Audio Recording. You are now in the audio recorder interface. Now, tap on OK and keep the microphone icon selected as shown. Tap on the record button to begin. Once you have recorded your sound, tap the stop button. Next, tap the track view icon in the top left corner to see your recording on a timeline. Tap the downward-facing arrow and select My Songs to save your project. Now, long press on your saved song and tap on Share from the menu. Choose the ringtone option to export your audio. You can rename your ringtone here, and once done, tap on Export at the top right corner. After the export is successful, tap on Use Sound as from the menu. From here, you can set it as your standard ringtone or assign it to a specific contact. Following these steps, you can easily create a custom ringtone on an iPhone.